Hola clase. All right, in this video I am going to go through each of the questions for your Lingua meeting session this week. If you see her back here, this is Luna. This is one of my cats. Luna. I guess she'll be joining us today. All right, let's begin. Now, remember, these videos that I'm recording this evening are part of your Cuaderno grade. This particular video is your will show your Lingua meeting notes. Please remember, in your Lingua meeting notes, you must write the question and the answer to receive full credit. Please use the document that I provided you with last week that helped you add additional information to your sentences. Please know that you are welcome to look up words in an online dictionary if you'd like, if you're needing something else. All right, let's get started. ¿Cómo se llama la universidad donde estudias? Now here, while you do not study at a university, you still can say no estudio. Oh, that does not need an accent mark. No estudio allí. I don't study there. Pero en Lubbock tenemos la Universidad de Texas Tech y la Universidad de Lubbock Christian. Okay, so you can say, I do not study there, but in Lubbock we have Texas Tech University and Lubbock Christian University. Now from here you can talk about the name of your school. Mi escuela secundaria, so my high school, mi escuela secundaria se llama Estacado High School. All right. ¿Cuántos estudiantes hay en tu universidad? So again here, they might continue asking you about tech, or once you let them know of your school, they might ask about the population of your school. So if they continue to ask about Texas Tech, you can say Texas Tech tiene más de 40,000 estudiantes. Now I do want you to notice this is a period here. It is supposed to be a period. In Spanish, whenever you're talking about numbers, where there's a comma, there's a period. Where there's a period, there's a comma. Okay? Now, if you're talking about Estacado, how many students are here? So, Estacado, mi escuela secundaria, tiene, fill in the blank with the amount of students. Okay? Give them more or less how many you think there are. Are there 100? Are there 200? So, 100 is 100. 200 is 200. I'm not quite sure how many students attend Estacado. All right. ¿Cuáles son las áreas de estudio más populares en tu universidad? So here it's asking about popular areas, study areas. So here I've given you two options. One is, the first option is for more than one location. The second option is for one. So for instance, this first one here, las áreas, so again, you're talking about multiple areas. Las áreas de estudio más populares en mi escuela son, tell me what they are, and then tell me why. Give a little bit more. Again, we're now at the point in the semester where you know a little bit more. I would like to see a little bit more, and I'm sure that the coaches would also like to see you provide additional details. So once you mention what the popular areas are, say por qué, and then tell them why. All right. If you're only talking about one area, this is the sentence that you'll use. El área de estudio más popular en mi escuela es, tell me what it is, por qué, and then tell me why. Now I do want you to notice these two here, las áreas versus el área. Here, I know it ends in an A, but in the singular form, área is masculine. In the plural form, it is feminine. All right. Now, look at the next question. ¿Cómo es el campus? ¿Qué hay? ¿Cuáles son los sitios favoritos de los estudiantes? Let's fix that right quick. All right, mi campus es, and you're going to add descriptive words here. My campus is, because it's asking what it's like, describe it. Describe it for us. Mi campus es bonito, es grande, es divertido. Fill it in with, I would say about 3 to 5 descriptive words. All right. And then, ¿qué hay? So here, this is a description of what you can find on your campus. So, mi campus tiene muchos cuartos, una biblioteca, una cafetería, un gimnasio. So list out everything Estacado has, like different types of rooms. I'm sure that there are rooms that I'm not sure exist on your campus. So list them out. What else can you find at Estacado High School? Now, favorite location. So again, here I have two different sentences. The first one is talking about multiple locations. The second sentence is talking about only one favorite location. All right, so for instance, on this first example, los sitios favoritos de los estudiantes son el gimnasio y el vestuario, the locker room. ¿Por qué? And then tell me why. The same thing occurs here. If there's only one favorite, el sitio favorito de los estudiantes es el vestuario. And again here, porque, tell me why it's a favorite place. Okay? A ver, let's continue. ¿Dónde te gusta estudiar? ¿Estudias mejor en casa, en la biblioteca, en un café? So where do you like to study? Do you study better at home, at the library, at a cafe? So here, your first question will be, me gusta estudiar en la biblioteca y en mi casa. And again here, I should have added it earlier. Porque, and then tell me why. Okay, tell me why. Why do you like to study there? And then the next question answers, where do you study? Like, do you study better at home? So here, a veces me gusta estudiar en la escuela y otras veces en mi casa. I'm talking about, this is still a continuation of the first question. So where, like, sometimes I like to study at the house, other times at school. And then so for instance here, I also added, cuando tengo un examen, when I have a test, me gusta estudiar con mis amigos. I like to study with my friends. So again, add something else to it. All right. And then this last point here answers the second question. Estudio mejor en, so I study better at, so estudio mejor en mi casa, en la escuela, porque, and then tell me why. All right, as I look at your videos, as I look at your answers, I'm going to see that you have these filled in, giving me a por qué. Okay. ¿Qué actividades hacen los estudiantes en el campus de tu universidad? So again here, you're going to talk about the different activities that occur at Estacado High School. So en mi escuela, los estudiantes juegan deportes, son parte de UIL, son parte de la banda, and then fill in the gaps. What else am I missing? Okay, what other activities can students do at Estacado? All right. And the last question, ¿hay un gimnasio en tu universidad y una piscina? So here I'm answering the question, en mi escuela hay un gimnasio, no es ni pequeño ni grande, so it's not large and it's not small. Tiene una tribuna descubierta. So here, I believe I viewed your gym today, and I believe it had bleachers or stands. This is what it is, tribuna descubierta. And again, the coach might have a completely different word for it. Some countries have certain words for something, other countries have a different word for it. It just depends. All right. So again, here tiene una tribuna descubierta por un lado. También tiene una imagen de nuestra mascota de la escuela. So I believe there was also an image of the school mascot or the school logo in there as well. And I'm not sure if Estacado has the swimming pool. So here I've given you both options. Mi escuela tiene una piscina, or you can say mi escuela no tiene una piscina. And the final slide, what are some additional questions you can ask? So thinking about the theme for today, what are questions you can ask your coach? For this slide, I would like for you to create 2 to 4 questions for your instructional coach. If these are not here, I will take off half a point of your 2 points for your cuaderno grade. Keep that in mind. All right. I hope that this has helped. Please make sure that you write both the question and the answer in your cuaderno, and please make sure to write in Lingua Meeting Session 8 at the top. All right. Adios.